Hello, this is, I guess, an AutoCAD video, really. Somebody was asking me about the Gizmo, which I'm not that familiar with using, to be honest. So I have some beams here, and if you go into you have to be in a 3D view. So if you go into 2D wireframe, it's not going to show you any Gizmo, but you can click on this here, and this will, you can move restricted that direction. But you want to go into like a shaded view or something. So if I go into shaded, now it's giving me the gizmo. So you can see the gizmo is located at that point on the center of the beam. Now if I move this beam, so I can pick this direction and it's going to restrict it in that axis, which is useful. And we can go 20 feet over here. Now I think he's saying the problem is his gizmo is staying over here from where he moves it from. So if you right click in here, here's your restraints, constraints I should say. So you can also switch from move to rotate, relocate gizmo. You can relocate the gizmo for that beam. So maybe, I'm not sure what way it would be set. Respect UCS. So I don't know why it's not staying with the beam. I haven't seen it not stay with the beam, but align with the object. Yeah, so you can change the alignment as well, which is pretty good. So if, let me see if I have a beam going this way. So let's go here and just draw a beam in at some weird angle. And if I click on this to move it, you can see that it wants to move it the same as the UCS. Now, keep in mind, I'm just learning this, as you guys probably know this already. So I can align that UCS with the object. That didn't work. So let's see. So let's see. Yeah, it's not aligned with the object. I thought it would allow me to move it 90 degrees to the object, but that doesn't seem to be the case. Relocate gizmo. Yeah, so that didn't work, but and you can see the gizmo has gone back here. I guess if I switch my UCS to here, now let's click on the beam. Now right click here and set the current UCS. Yeah, it was in that way anyway. And then you can move that direction. Alright, so I guess he's trying to relocate it, but when I relocated it there, it actually went back. So relocate gizmo. Now I don't think you need to do relocate. You can just pick that point. No, you can't. No, can't do that. So do the relocate. Relocate it over here. Then you can move it. But when I click back on it, it's gone back over here. So I don't know why his is not respect dynamic UCS. I don't know. I don't really use it that often. It is useful, but anything I move, I generally use this advanced copy. So I'll use advanced copy to move things or copy things. So it's good practice to try and use this as much as you can, especially when you have connections and stuff. So that's what I do, or else if I'm moving this, now we can see my UCS is screwed up. So if I move this, what I will do is I'll just select this. Oh, I'll select this and I'll just move it in the y-axis. I just do that when I have connections and everything, because you can also do just this, and you can see it's restricted, and you can kind of trust that, but sometimes you click off that line a little bit by accident, and you might not even notice. So I like to restrict it using this way, but I guess the gizmo is a good way to do that. So I should probably start using it. So come back in here, change it to move, go this way, 10 feet, you know, that kind of thing. So, alright. Hopefully he can relocate it with that, but it doesn't seem like it's going to want to stay there. So, come in here and play around with these, I suppose. Alright, take care. Bye.